Hey everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can delete photos on Facebook. Before guiding you through these tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so you can get notified over the photo uploads on this channel. Without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open a Facebook and make sure to sign in into it. After that, you need to tap on three-line icon on Facebook and you need to tap on see your profile. After you have access to your profile, you need to scroll down and here you can simply tap on photos and see the uploaded photos on your profile. Or what you can do is come back again to your profile and scroll down to post and scroll down here you can see one post here. Simply you can tap on this three dot line of this post and tap on move to recycle bin. Your item in your recyclable bin are deleted after 30 days and you can delete this photo on Facebook. The one way is this. If you want the other way, you can simply go to the photos again and tap on that particular photo you want to delete on Facebook and tap on three dotted line on top right corner and tap on delete photo. And if you want sure to delete this photo, then tap on delete photo and your photo on Facebook will be already deleted. So here is no photos to show, that means it has already been deleted on the Facebook. If you like this video, and hit the like button and subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel. Thank you.